Nestled in a tranquil park-like setting, Apartments on the Green provides a welcoming place to call your new home. Ideally located just minutes from I-15, you'll have better access to all of Salt Lake City. From golf courses and parks to fine dining and boutique shopping, it's all yours to enjoy. Then you can return to Apartments on the Green for the peace and privacy you desire. Lushly landscaped grounds with mature trees offer the ultimate outdoor space. There are barbecue and picnic areas, and those with pets will be glad to hear we even have a dog park for your furry friend. You can challenge your neighbors to a friendly volleyball game, or take it easy with a refreshing swim in the pool. Also on site, you'll find our fitness center, clubhouse, and laundry facilities. Covered parking and garage access are also available. Our spacious 1-, 2-, or 3-bedroom apartments come with an assortment of amenities. You'll stay comfortable with central air conditioning. Staying organized will be easier with large walk-in closets. You'll have a separate area for dining. And each kitchen comes with an appliance package that includes a dishwasher and microwave. Some homes come with a washer and dryer. Discover what renting should be like when you choose Apartments on the Green as your new residence. We'll be waiting to hear from you.